Hello friends, welcome to Tricks and Learn. So today we are going to start our new session with human health and diseases. So now we are going to see previous questions. These questions are useful for NEET exam as well as term 2 board exams. First question. Transplantation of tissues or organs failed often due to non-acceptance of the patient's body. Non-acceptance of patient body means it is rejection. So which type of immune response is responsible for such rejections? So some body we use transplantation in if body some fails. For example, tissue matching, blood group matching are essential before taking any graft or transplant, because if we done wrongly means our own immune response will detect the foreign bodies and it try to kill that foreign bodies. So because of that we use immunosuppressants. So these all are involved of T lymphocytes. So these all are involved of T lymphocytes, and we know that T lymphocytes are involved in cell mediated immune response. So option A is correct answer. Cell mediated immune response is the correct answer. Then second question. Malt constitute about how many percentage of lymphoid tissue in human body? So it is directly from NCERT textbook line. So malt constitute about 20%, not 70, not 10, not. It is 50%. 50% of our human body lymphoid tissues are constitutes of malt. Malt means what? Mucosa associated lymphoid tissues. Then third question. Which are the following set of disease caused by bacteria? So both of the disease are want to be bacteria. Then we can ignore influenza, because influenza is a viral disease. So because of that, D is not the answer. Tetanus and mumps. So mumps is not a bacterial disease, and smallpox is also a bacterial disease, not a bacterial disease. Cholera and tetanus both are bacterial disease. Cholera, it is caused by Vibrio cholerae, and tetanus is caused by Clostridium tetani. So these two are bacterium disease, and sometimes the typhoid is a bacterial disease. It is caused by Salmonella typhi, but smallpox is caused by variola virus. So because of that reason, option B is ignored, because option B, typhoid is bacteria but smallpox is virus. The name of the virus is variola virus. VARIOLA, variola virus. Okay, and then mumps is caused by paramyxovirus. So mumps, the option C, we have mumps, right? So this mumps is caused by paramyxovirus. So paramyxovirus. And then influenza is caused by orthomyxovirus. So these three are virus. So option A has pure bacterial disease. So option A is the correct answer. Fourth question. Which of the following is correct regarding AIDS causative HIV? So for AIDS causative HIV, which of the following we want to say it is correct? So here there are two options. HIV is enveloped, two answers here. So option A, HIV is enveloped virus containing one molecule of single-stranded RNA and one molecule of reverse transcriptase. So we know that RNA having two molecules of single-stranded RNA and two molecules of reverse transcriptase to convert from RNA to DNA. So option A is wrong. Option B, HIV is enveloped virus, correct. Two identical molecules of single-stranded RNA, correct, and two molecules of reverse transcriptase, correct. So option B is the right answer here, and option B is the right answer. And see option C also. HIV is unenveloped retrovirus. It is wrong. HIV is well enveloped retrovirus which has protein coat and other coat it has. And option D, HIV does not escape but attack the acquired immune system. What is meant by acquired immune system? It is a specific type of cell, right? So HIV is a specific memory. It is a fight against a specific disease. So acquired immunity. So option D is also correct answer. Option D is also correct. So here there are two correct options, option B and option D. So both are correct. Note that. Then fifth question. Antivenom injection contains preformed antibodies, while polio drops that are administered into human body contain which of the following? So antivenom injection. What is my antivenom injection? If we are bite with snakes means in the hospitals they will put antivenom injections. They are antibodies for the bacteria which are present in the snakes or some insects venom. So it are the antibodies for that venom. So but polio drops are administered to human body which contains fifth one, option B is the correct answer. They have attenuated pathogens. So attenuated pathogen means it is like inactivated pathogens. So they are injecting in our body inactivated pathogens. Then sixth questions. Which of the following statement is not true for cancer cells in relation to mutations? So option A, mutation inactivate the cell control. It is correct, because we know that mutation inactivate the cell control because of the changing of protein present in that cell. So option B, mutation inhibit production of telomerase. It is wrong. Mutation doesn't inhibit the production of telomerase enzyme. Then C, option C. Mutations in proto-oncogenes accelerate the cell cycle. Yes, because of the mutation in proto-oncogenes. What is oncogenes? The cell which produce cancers are oncogenes. Pro-oncogenes accelerate the cell cycle. It increases the rate of the cell cycle. It is correct. Then mutation destroy telomerase inhibitor. It is very important. Mutation destroy telomerase inhibitor. It is correct. Then what is the correct answer? Option B is the correct answer because it is incorrect. Mutation inhibit the production of telomerase. It is wrong. Mutation that doesn't inhibit the production of telomerase. It destroy the telomerase inhibitor. So note that. So option B is the correct answer. Then 7th question. In higher vertebrates, the immune system can distinguish self cells and non-self. If this property is lost due to genetic abnormality and it attacked self cells, then it leads to, it is very easiest question. So our own immune system is going to kill our own cells. This type of disease is called autoimmune disease. So autoimmune disease, it is a disorder of the body's defense mechanism in which our own tissues are against our immunity. So it is caused by genetic or environmental factors. So option A is the correct answer, autoimmune disease. 8th question. If you suspect major deficiency of antibodies in a person, which of the following would you look for confirmatory evidence? Confirmatory evidence for the major deficiency of antibody in a person. So most of the time they are using our blood. In the blood we know that the globulin, what is globulin? It is a blood protein. The protein present in our blood is called globulin. So in the globulin level only they will check the antibodies there or not. So because of the reason, option B is the correct answer. Serum globulin are the proteins that include gamma globulins. So gamma globulins are antibodies. So if you not know means note here, gamma globulins are also called antibodies. Gamma globulins are antibodies. So here serum globulins are antibodies. Then 9th question. Which of the following immunoglobulins does constitute a largest percentage in human milk? Because we know that the human milk, the colostrum in the initial period of the lactation, the colostrum is secreted by the mother. The colostrum, it contains more IgA, immunoglobulin A. So IgA is the abundant class of the second most abundant class of immunoglobulins. So where it is found? It is found in sweat, tear, saliva, mucus, colostrum or gastrointestinal secretions. So this is the large percentage of immunoglobulin present in human milk. Then next question. Which of the following disease is caused by a protozoan? So it is option A, babesiosis. You see, syphilis. Syphilis is caused by, we already know syphilis is a sexual transmitted disease. So syphilis is caused by bacteria or virus, and influenza is caused by, we already see influenza is caused by orthomyxovirus. So babesiosis is the correct answer. Babesiosis is a malaria-like parasite disease, which is the infection of Babesia. Babesia is the protozoan here. So it is babesiosis. Grafted kidney may be rejected in a person due to, same answer, option D is the correct answer, cell-mediated immune response. Because cell-mediated immune response only involved in the rejection of the body tissues. Match the disease which has correct type of vaccine. So we know that tuberculosis, they are using, okay, easy one we think. Polio is a viral disease, so they will use harmless virus. So D1. And whooping cough, for whooping coughs they are using killed bacteria. For tuberculosis they are using harmless bacteria, and diphtheria they are using inactivated toxin. So D1, A4, D1 and A4. Check the options which has D1 and A4. So option A is the correct answer because option A contains D1, A4. So option A is the correct answer. Then 13th question. The active form of Entamoeba histolytica feeds upon. The active form of Entamoeba histolytica feeds in RBCs. Okay, we know that RBC it feeds, and the mucosal layers. There are two mucosal layers, mucosal layer and a submucosal layer in our colon. So option C is the correct answer. Erythrocytes means RBC, mucosa and submucosa of colon. Then HIVs that caused AIDS first start destroying. If the person is infected HIV means for first time it going to destroy which of the following type: helper T lymphocytes, thrombocytes, B lymphocytes, leukocytes. First of all, we know that the AIDS retrovirus, it is called a human immunodeficiency virus, right? So here immunity will perform. So because of the immunity, we will neglect option B and option D. So option A or option C may be correct answer. So which is very correct. So first HIV cause remains they start destroying helper T lymphocytes. So option A is the correct answer. 15th question. Which are the particular type of drug which is obtained from the plant? Which one flowering branch is shown here? So it is directly from NCRT. This picture is in from NCRT. So the name of this is Datura. Okay, the name of this plant is Datura. So this plant seed is called Datura stramonium. So this is misused for hallucinogenic properties. What is my hallucinogenic? It is like a drug addiction which cause some it is dream like it is used for dream more like that they are misusing. So it is caused from the options. The correct answer is hallucinogen. Datura. From the seeds, it is called Datura stramonium. They produce some drugs which cause hallucination. Then 16th question. At which stage of HIV infection does one usually show symptoms of AIDS? So we know that if someone is affected with AIDS means their T lymphocytes only going to affect. So how they will identify the first symptom shown because of the low number of T lymphocytes because of large number of T lymphocytes are damaged. So option C is the correct answer. Then 17th question. Infection of Ascaris is usually occurs by Ascaris. What is Ascaris? It is caused by Ascaris worm and it lays eggs which is found in drinking water or it is found in non-washed vegetables and opened foods, etc. So for 17th question, the option is option C, drinking water containing eggs of Ascaris. Is the correct answer. 18th one. Which of the following is correct regarding sexually transmitted disease? 18th question. Which of the following is correct regarding sexual transmitted disease? So 18th question, right? Okay. A person may contract syphilis by sharing milk with one who is suffering from the disease. So it is not correct because syphilis is sexually transmitted. It is not by sharing the milk. Then hemophilia is one of the STD. Wrong. Hemophilia is genetic disorder. Genital herpes and the sickle cell anemia both are STD. Sickle cell anemia is not STD. It is genetic disorder. And then the chance of 5-year boy contracting a STD are very little. Option D is the correct answer. The chance of 5 years boy contracting the STD are very little. 19th question. Identify the site where Wuchereria brachycopte is normally found in human body. Wuchereria brachycopte means it is the pathogen which causes elephantiasis. The disease called elephantiasis. It is also called filariasis. Okay, filariasis. So here it is found in lymphatic vessels. So here option D is the correct answer. Lymphatic vessels of lower limbs. Wuchereria brachycopte is found in lymphatic vessels of. Okay, then 23 question. Which of the following drug is hallucinating? We already saw one question with hallucination. So the drug used for hallucination is lysergic acid diethylamide. Option C is the correct answer. For 20th question, option C, lysergic acid diethylamide. It is also called LSD. So LSD, it is how I say from that you see opium, morphine. So these two type of drugs are narcotics. What is narcotics? Narcotics means they suppress the brain activity and relieve pain. And caffeine is also, it is a type of stimulant that temporarily stimulate the nervous system, but they didn't cause hallucination. Hallucination is caused by lysergic acid diethylamide. It is called LSD. Then 21. Motile zygote of plasmodium occurs in. Motile zygote of plasmodium occurs in gut of female Anopheles mosquito. For 21st question, option A is the correct answer. Then for 22nd question, Widal test is caused to the test of. Widal test, it is a very important question. Widal test is the test which carried out the presence of Salmonella typhi, which is a typhoid fever, which cause typhoid fever. Then 23rd question, common cold differs from pneumonia. So common cold means it does not, the two properties of common cold, it only attacks the respiratory tract, but pneumonia, it attacks the respiratory system like lungs, alveoli, etc. So here you see, Option A is pneumonia is communicable disease where a common cause nutritional deficiency debate is wrong. Then second one, pneumonia can be prevented by a live annihilated bacteria. Wrong. Pneumonia is caused by a virus. Wrong. Pneumonia pathogen infect alveoli and common cold infect nose and respiratory passage but not lungs. So which is the very correct answer here? The very correct answer here is option D. 24th question. Which of the following is the not property of cancerous cells, whereas the remaining three are the properties? One is not a property. So we want to found that. They compete with normal cells for vital nutrition. So it is also a correct, because for the normal cell of vital nutrition, cancerous cells increase the number of cells. So because of the increasing of number of cells, the nutrition required for one cell, it will be reduced, so it compete, and they do not remain confined area in the formation. Yes, it is also correct. And third option, they divide in an uncontrolled manner. It is correct. So it divide in an uncontrolled manner one cell and automatically divide to form several cells. And option D, they show contact inhibition. Option D is the correct answer. Contact inhibition is a property of normal cells, but for the cancerous cells, contact inhibition, it is lack. The lack of contact inhibition we can able to see in cancerous cells. So 25th question, cirrhosis of liver is caused by the chorionic intake of cirrhosis. What is my cirrhosis? Cirrhosis is a condition of the liver respond to injury or death. Cirrhosis means the attachment of liver cells. So one liver cell we want to attach with another liver cell, right? So this attachment of liver cells become weak, and the liver will become the liver will become tawny. Okay, for like the liver is want to be this shape means the liver will become like this because of the tightening of cells are loosed. So this is caused when we consume more alcohol. So option B, chronic intake of alcohol causes cirrhosis of liver. Then 26th question, identify the molecule A and B shown below and select the right option giving their source and use. So it is completely from textbook. So we know that option D, A is morphine, right? Yes, A is morphine and B is cannabinoid. So it is given in the NCERT textbook. The structure is given. So A is morphine, B is cannabinoids. So now we will see the options. A is morphine, B is cannabinoid. So because of this reason, option A and B are neglected. Option C and D may be correct answer. In this, which is the most correct answer we want to choose? Cannabinoid, B is cannabinoid. The source is Allotropa belladonna. Okay, produces hallucinations. It is wrong. Option C is completely wrong. Option D, morphine. It is by Papaver somniferum. Correct, and it is sedative and painkiller. So that is the correct answer. Option D, morphine, Papaver somniferum, which is a sedative and painkiller, is the correct answer. Where will you look for the sporocytes of the malarial parasites? Where will you look for the sporocytes? It is very important question. It is very easy question also. We can able to see the malarial parasites in mosquito, not female mosquito. It is not freshly molted female mosquito. If a freshly molted female mosquito means it is not infected. It is a healthy mosquito. Infected mosquito only have the sporocytes. So option A is the correct answer. The 28th question, which of the following options gives the correct match of the disease, which is causative organism and mode of infection? So 28th question, typhoid, it is caused by Salmonella typhi, which is inspired by air. So here there is a wrong. So option A is not the answer. Pneumonia, it is Streptococcus pneumoniae, it is correct. It is a droplet infection, so it is correct. Option B is the correct answer. And let's take the other two options. Elephantiasis is Wuchereria bank P, which is infected food and water. No. Malaria, it is Plasmodium vivax. Bite of male, it is not male, it is female. So option B is the correct answer. Common cold is not cured by antibiotics because it is caused by virus. It is not by antibiotics. So it is the answer, option A. 30th question. Ringworm is human is formed by. It is caused by fungi. What is ringworm? Ringworm is a fungal disease in the skin. If there will be a scratch means we scratch in the region, it becomes more. If we again scratch because of the itchiness, it becomes more. So it grows like this. It is called ringworm. So it mostly occurs under the beard and in the genital area, external genital areas. Vidal test is used for the diagnosis of. Very important question. An easy question. It is typhoid. Which of the following statement is correct with respect to AIDS? It is, we already studied these questions, right? So okay, let's try. HIV is transmitted by eating food together. No. Drug addicts are least suspective. No. AIDS patients are being are fully being the cured 100%. No, it is not 100% they are cured. They can only make their lifetime some days more. The causative HIV retrovirus enter helper T cells and reducing their number. So option D is the correct answer. 33rd question. Infectious proteins are present in. Where the infectious proteins are present? Infectious proteins are present in prions. Prions are the infected protein agent. Who prions are named by Stanley Prisoner. Okay, this is also an important question. Prions are named by Stanley Prisoner in year 1997. Then 34. Select the correct statement from the one given below. So you want to select the correct statement. Barbitures, when given to criminals, make them to tell the truth. No, it is wrong. Morphine is often given to person who have undergone surgery as painkiller. Maybe it is correct. It is correct. Chewing tobacco lowers blood pressure and heart rate. It is wrong. Cocaine is given to the patient after surgery as stimulate recovery. No. So option B is the correct answer. Then 35th question. Which of the following technique is safest for the detection of cancers? Safest means does not cause any side effect. So 35th question. Magnetic resonance imaging is the correct answer. MRI scan, we say, right. So it is a safest technique because X-ray also causes some additional problems. CT scan is also causes. And histopathological study means what is histopathological study means? They cut some the cancerous cells and in the laboratory they will do the research. So it is also not safest. The most safest method is magnetic resonance imaging. So 36th question. A person suffering from the disease caused by plasmodium. So this is what is the disease? It is malaria, and it is experience occurring chill and fever. When we will for feeling that the chill and fever means our blood, the release of hemozoin. It is a toxin which is produced by the malarial parasite affected RBC cells. So option C is the correct answer. The parasite, after rapid multiplication inside the RBC, ruptures, releasing the stage to enter fresh RBC. The releasing the stage is also releases the toxin. The name of the toxin is hemozoin. So it is the toxin which causes symptoms of malaria. Then 37th question. Which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? They are asking. First one. Benign tumors show the property of metastasis. No. Malignant tumor only show the property of metastasis. What is metastasis? One infected cell, cancerous cell, it move to another cell using blood and it causes spread of cancer. It is metastasis. So it is caused by malignant tumors. Benign tumors are stable tumors or stationary tumors. Heroin accelerate body function. No. Heroin decelerate the body function. It makes us very tired. Option C. Malignant tumors may exhibit metastasis. Correct answer. Malignant tumor exhibit metastasis. Patient who have undergone surgery are given cannabinoids, not cannabinoids. So because of that, it is wrong. So option C is the correct answer. Which of the following pair of viral disease? Viral disease we want to find out. Common cold, it is rhinovirus. AIDS is HIV virus. So first option itself correct. It is option A. Then 39th question. Match the column. Amoebiasis, you can also try. I can also try. Amoebiasis, diphtheria, cholera and syphilis. So we want to find the correct treatment of this disease and its correct treatment. So I think amoebiasis is caused by sterilized food and water, and diphtheria, it is DPT vaccine. So we know that DPT means diphtheria vaccine. And cholera is caused by oral therapy rehydration, and syphilis is Treponema pallidum. So option B is the correct answer. Then last question today, it is 40th question. Which one of the following is the correct statement regarding the particular psychotropic drug specified? Psychotropic drug specified. So morphine leads to delusions and disturbed emotions. No. Barbiturates cause relaxation and temporary euphoria. No. Hashish causes afterthought of perception and hallucination. Yes, it is correct. Because hashish causes that the feeling of hallucination. So, and we can see the last option also. Opium stimulates nervous system and causes hallucination. Opium stimulates nervous system is correct, but doesn't causes hallucination. Hallucination is caused by which of the following drug plant you give in the comment section, right? So here the correct option is option C. Hashish causes afterthought of perceptions and hallucination. It is correct. So thank you guys. So our next 40 question we will see in the part 2 video. So thank you so much. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button, and there is more unboxing videos of term 2 board exam and more videos for neat books also. So check that videos which was given in the description box, as well as it was given the I box. You can check. So thank you guys. Have a nice day.